Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you an easy way to save lettuce seeds. So normally I grow a bunch of lettuce in my raised beds, and when I'm ready for the lettuce to produce seeds, I dig one out and put them into a pot like this. You don't have to do that. You can just grow them directly inside a pot this size. Whichever way you choose, but you don't need a lot of space to grow lettuce and save seeds. So here I have a plant. This is my salad bowl lettuce, and this is my red lettuce, and they're both inside 5.5-inch pot, and now they are producing lots and lots of flowers. So lettuce plant produce so many seeds that you really only need one plant, and that will give you enough to grow for many years to come. You can also do microgreens, so I suggest you guys do that in a winter time, because then you get fresh lettuce to use all the time. And microgreens are just amazing. They're just baby plants, and they are really tender and nice. So here the seeds are ready, not all of them, but a lot of them are ready. So if you wait and the wind blow at the seeds when they're too dry, then they'll fall in the grass and they'll grow everywhere. And usually I'll just let them do that, and I'll dig them out of the grass and then grow them in my raised bed the next season. But to show you how to collect seeds, here is how I usually do it. See that these are lettuce seed pods right here. So first they will open like they'll make these really pretty flowers, and then once the flowers are pollinated, then they become these fuzzes here. And then once the fuzz dry, and then they will become those. And this is the best time to collect them, because you can grow them immediately after you collect them. You can also collect them at once the fuzzes are out like this, and just allow them to dry, and that will work as well. But you cannot collect them at this stage because they are not ready. So when they're brown with the seeds kind of like black and the fuzz is all falling off, that is usually the best time. So just pull the lettuce seeds out, put it into a container or a bag or something like that, and then you can grow it. Okay, let's go ahead and pick some lettuce seeds, and I will show you what they look like. So these are very small and light seeds, so if you put it in the wind, it may blow away. So let's be careful. You see, there are the lettuce seeds right there. You see, so each single pod can produce from 10 to 15 seeds, and as you can see, there are hundreds and hundreds of pods, so you have a ton of seeds. So these are pretty dry and ready to be planted, so let's go ahead and plant these. Okay, we are going to grow the lettuce seeds inside paper towel method. And to cut down the filming time, I already wet the paper towel here. And all you need to do is just, put this under your faucet, and then you want to squeeze it out so that there's no running water when you hold it like this. But the paper towel is still very wet. As long as it's not dripping, you're good to go. Okay, so just leave it open like that, and we're going to grab a few seeds here. You can grab a bunch because the lettuce produce so many seeds. It's okay to waste a few. I have like thousands and thousands of seeds that are ready. So you don't need those fuzzes. Okay, that should be good enough. And then just give it a little spray of water, just so that the lettuce seed is kind of like wet. Okay, and then close it up, and then we're going to put it inside the ziploc bag. Okay, and then just leave it somewhere where there is some light. I usually leave it under my my arrow guard, so just like this, and then we'll check back once they sprouted. Okay, welcome back. It has been 4 days now, and let's check on my lettuce. Look at that, they sprouted probably in around maybe 1 or 2 days ago. So you can see it is very easy to sprout these lettuce. They do require a certain temperature because I tried sprouting this outside in the Texas heat, 94 to 95 degrees Fahrenheit, and that did not work. They didn't sprout at all. So I took them inside and tried a few more, and because inside the temperature is around 73 degrees Fahrenheit, which is perfect for these plants, they sprouted just fine. So they're cool weather crops. They're very easy to collect seeds from. They're beautiful, and they taste great as well. So one plant will give you a ton of seed. Just if you're ready to collect seeds, move the plant into a small container. All you need is just one plant. They produce a ton of seeds. So try that. Anyway, that is it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave it below, and thank you so much for watching.